Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you BlackRock Aladdin Honest Review. So, BlackRock Aladdin here is basically the operating system big investment teams use to run a portfolio day to day. Now, think of it like one place where a firm can see positions, cash, exposures, risk, compliance rules, and trading, so you're not stitching together five different tools and hoping the numbers match. Now, BlackRock pitches it as a platform that unifies the investment process with shared data language and a whole portfolio view across public and private markets. And also, a good way to understand how portfolio management software works in general, well, at the core, it pulls in your holdings and market data. Then it answers practical questions like, for example, what do we own? What's the risk if rates move? Are we breaking any limits? Now, if we trade this, what happens to the portfolio, and how does performance look? Now, Aladdin is known especially for the risk side, stress tests, scenario style analysis, and are a big part of the Aladdin risk story. Now, it's uh, also built at institutional scale, like pensions, insurers, big asset managers, which is why it's talked about like a heavyweight platform rather than a retail investment app. Now, for the honest review here, well, this one is kind of complicated. So when you look at what people say on review sites and forums, well, it comes out as a powerful but not cute. Now on G2, you'll see reviewers praising the interface and saying navigation is smooth, but also calling out speed as a frustration. Now on Capterra here, one review even in here basically describes it as a solid tool for institutional asset managers with strong data insight across markets, but the scores hint at the usual trade-off, feature rich but not always amazing on value support. Now on Reddit here, so the tone gets more blunt, so there are comments like I used it and they were not satisfied, while others described it more neutral as a front to back investment management platform where the risk model is the center of gravity. Now, there's also a post from someone who helped implement it saying it's not mystical. It's a serious institutional trading portfolio platform hooked into markets and counterparties, useful but not exactly exciting unless you actually have access to the workflows. So is Aladdin here worth it right now? So if a firm is big enough that risk, compliance, trading, and operations need to stay perfectly in sync, and you want one system to run the whole machine, well, Aladdin's reputation is that it can be monster in a good way. But the same stuff that makes it powerful is what people complain about. It can feel complex, heavy, and expensive, and day-to-day performance or UX can be a hit or miss depending on what modules your team lives in. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.